Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G04, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice and then select your power button right here and choose power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. So let's do it right now. After a moment, you'll see the Motorola logo, at which point you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up till you see the recovery mode. There we go. Once you see this mode, using volume buttons either up or down, you want to select Wipe Cache Partition, which is right here, and then confirm it with the power button, and select Yes, and confirm that. And at the bottom you should see Cache Wipe Complete, and Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power button once again to get back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.